Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Vital Healing. I'm Dr. Candida. This is my channel. I'm a naturopathic doctor as well as an intuitive healer. And every Thursday, I try to, put out some content for my YouTube subscribers and for YouTube in general. And today we're going to talk about mineral electrolyte replacements. And I get this question a lot in practice. People wanting to know what my favorite, mineral replacement powder or drink or whatever that they could use. And I always share with them this little recipe that I put together that I think covers a lot of our bases and can help whether we're, we've had like a stomach flu or we ate something like food poisoning, or post exercise, workout, or if you're struggling with muscle cramps or sore muscles, or if you're just kind of tired, fatigued, these minerals, these electrolytes, they really act on every single part of our body. So when we're dehydrated ultimately, or low on, or in general, low in minerals, and our electrolytes are imbalanced, we can feel kind of crummy in lots of different parts of our body. So this is something that I try to do at least once a day, maybe every other day, but it's a recipe that I wanted to share with you because I share it with my patients, and I said, well, I was making it for myself now, so I was like, I'm just gonna hop on and make a video for it. So I hope it helps. So what I have here, and I love to reuse these bottles. These are my apple cider vinegar bottles. Anytime I have a glass bottle that I like that's about 20 to 32 ounces, I save them because these become my water bottles that I use whenever I'm out and about, because I buy water bottles and I lose them every single time, and they're like 25 bucks a pop. I lose this, it's not as big of a deal, and I'm reusing it. So, and it's glass, so I'm not getting any of the leaching plastics and all of that crap into my water. So I just feel like they're a really nice way to reutilize them. So this one is 32 ounces, and I have 3 cups of filtered water, and so I use the Multipure filter. I also have a full filtration system in my house because I live in a mountain in a rural area with a leach field. So I just make sure you have really good clean water. You can always get them tested. You can always get your water tested. And then I have 1 cup of organic coconut water. And I'm just going to pour that right on in. And coconut water. Everybody talks about coconut water. Well, because it is filled with antioxidants, it is filled with minerals like potassium and manganese and calcium. It can be very blood sugar regulating. It can be good for your heart health. These minerals can just be really helpful. Like, you're already getting a bunch of minerals just from this 1 cup of coconut water. If you don't have coconut water, don't worry about it. It's no big deal. But this is just something I like to do. I find that a lot of times, and I talked about this in a video that I'll post below about sugar balancing, a lot of times when our minerals are out of balance, our electrolytes are low, we're dehydrated, we crave the sugars, right? We crave the sweets. So this is a nice way to get your kind of sweetness in, and hydrate because you're getting the water, as well as just kind of bring your body back to a mineral balance in the body, and get the pH back in shape, and in balanced, and it can be really helpful. And to this I have 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. I should have showed you that. 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. You could use raw honey. My bee guy, something went wrong with the bees, so I don't have the local honey right now. So I'm out right now. So hopefully his bees will be back, or they'll be back in shape, ready for action soon, hopefully. And then I have a teaspoon of it's a quarter of a teaspoon of ground Himalayan sea salt. The thing about salt is that you want real salt. You don't want the salts that have a bunch of crap added to them. So here's my pink Himalayan sea salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon, and I'm just gonna pop it in like so. I like this one. 84 different minerals that help balance your pH for overall nutrition. Really nice flavor. This is the coarse, so I just grind it. Where's my grinder? Oh yeah, here's my grinder. So I just grind it. I love it. You can also just do anything that just says real salt. This one's really nice because it's just 100% Himalayan sea salt. That's all it says. Pink Himalayan sea salts. There's no other ingredients, right? There are no additives. Nothing's refined. It's just good old-fashioned salt with lots of minerals, which we need. And this can actually help with your blood pressure a lot of times, because remember, it's very different than having just like a regular table salt that has a bunch of crap in it, and you oversalting your food and having your blood pressure get high as a result from it. So talk to your doctor, obviously, but I love the pink Himalayan sea salt. I think it can be really helpful for lots of different issues that your body can be struggling with. To this, I'm also going to take half of a lemon and squeeze it. And I already did that in advance, and I'm putting it in here. The lemon just adds more vitamin C, antioxidants, a nice refreshing flavor. Really great to clean out the blood. Really great to clean out the liver. And this is what I would do. So I would just shake it up. Where's my little cover? And I would just drink it. And I would sip on this all day. If you aren't going to drink it in a day, just take half of it, drink as much as you want. As long as you drink it within, a couple of days, it'll be fine. If it's hot out, if you're in a really hot environment, cool might be really, it'll taste really nice. I've also made popsicles out of this before, where you just put the popsicle, you just put it in, the popsicle molds. And so if somebody's got the flu, or if somebody, especially the kids, or, just cold sounds good, they have a fever, they're just not feeling well, and cold sounds good, just kind of sucking on a popsicle can really soothe the stomach, soothe the scratchy throats. It can be really great. And then other things, sometimes when I need this to be more of a meal replacement, I know I've talked about collagen a million times, but I might add 1 to 2 scoops of the collagen peptides in this and then drink it. And I love mushroom powder. This is just so good. I like the Stamate 7. Have you guys watched the Fantastic Fungus on Netflix? Oh my God, it's this guy. I didn't realize it. I just kind of came across it on Facebook. A friend of mine was talking about it, and it's this guy. I couldn't believe it. I've been using his products for years. This has lion's mane, cordyceps, maitake, the fabulous reishi. It's just a really nice blend, and it can be really good to boost the immune system, the adrenal support. So I might do a serving of this and add that in there also. I might take a probiotic capsule, pop it in there, especially if my stomach is not feeling great, or if I just feel a little extra inflamed, I might grate some ginger and pop it in there. But honestly, this is enough right here. And you know what? If you don't have the coconut water, it's okay. Just do it all fresh water. Drink it, get hydrated, feel better, get balanced. And then this is just a little bonus that I wanted to talk about. Sometimes we're feeling like we're feeling a little dehydrated, we're getting a little tired, we're feeling a little achy, our stomach doesn't feel good, our heads are kind of foggy, we're just not feeling well. And we don't have a lot of time to drink water. Maybe we're stuck at work, or maybe we're on a long drive, or whatever, but you just can't get those liquids in, and you're feeling really crummy. I really like the sea salts. I'm sorry, the cell salts. These are homeopathic remedies of different various combo minerals. And I like you can look into this and get all the individual ones. Some are specifically for skin, some are more specifically for hair, for gut, for sleep, for rest, for nervous system. I like the combo one. I like bioplasm. I also like this Unda combination blend. You just put four of them under your tongue 3 times a day. Let them dissolve. Keep it in your purse, keep it in your wallet, keep it in your car, just have it around, because in a pinch, if you're not feeling great, this can really get your mineral balance back in check. And can help you feel better until you can get that water in you, until you can get your replacement water made, and or just some plain old-fashioned water. So this is what I have for you today. I hope it helps, and let me know if there are other videos that you'd like for me to do. Comment below, like, subscribe, share, turn on that notification bell. Any support that you can give my channel is greatly appreciated. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Stay hydrated. Okay.